Well, good morning, Gemini.
Good morning. Good morning. We are back.
Yes, we are.
What are we driving
This is the all redesigned Kia Seltos. And I have to admit, I really like this vehicle. As far as a small SUV goes, 2 rows.
today? Yes.
You got leather, I got a power seat, I got wireless charging, you got all the features of the Bluetooth radio. I think we're about to listen to some Tim McGraw,
Yeah,
because everybody needs to go skydiving, right?
absolutely.
Early 40s. I wish I was in my early 40s.
I was looking up the colors for the Seltos earlier.
Yeah.
And there's 12 options.
12 color options
12
for this
color
car.
options.
Oh, wow.
I was like, that's crazy. 'Cause normally it's like 5 colors, you know. But in this one, we got 12 beautiful colors to choose from.
I have noticed that there are some amazing colors. I'm not a blue person, but there is a very pretty blue. I really enjoy the Chrisman red, and I like the matte black.
I love it. The matte colors are growing on me. They're definitely growing.
Yeah, you know, they're a little bit harder to take care of. But if you know how to wash a car or how to go to the car wash and tell them what to do, these cars are actually beautiful.
I agree. It's absolutely beautiful. What is the MSRP on this one? Let's look it up.
I think this one is around 33.
33. Wow. And you got all this room?
I know, there's a lot of room here for a $33,000 car. This is a lot of car.
It is. I love this one because it almost has the exterior shape of like a Telluride. It's like a mini Telluride.
Yeah, it is.
That's what I always think.
Yeah, because really, if you think about it, the only thing that's missing is the 3rd row.
Right.
So, I mean, this would be a great car for like a beginner, like
Yeah.
my first car in high school or graduation from high school. I would think that this would be an incredible vehicle for somebody who's just starting out.
Oh,
Because the
absolutely.
gas mileage, it has to be insane. I mean, it's got to be in the 30s, I would think. Got
And
a
look at
panoramic
this.
roof. Oh yeah, there we
You
go.
think it's gonna open all the way this time?
Oh, I hope not. I don't know if my head can take it.
Today feels a lot better though.
Oh
Like,
yeah,
look how beautiful.
yeah.
It's so nice.
Today we're just simmering. We are not boiling yet.
No, we're getting there though. It's
Oh,
just.
we're definitely getting there.
But look
God,
how
the other
nice.
day it was like 118, 119 degrees.
Oh yeah, it was crazy.
Ugh.
Like for what?
I actually took my sport coat off. I was warm. Hey, there goes Leo.
Oh yeah, hi Leo. He didn't recognize us in our new whip.
No, he didn't. Our what?
New whip.
Our whip?
Yeah.
All right.
Our new ride.
Our new ride, I guess we call it. Somebody said the other day that nasty was a good thing. So could we actually call this
Oh.
a nasty whip?
Yeah, you could.
Nasty whip.
Nasty whip.
Wow. I'm
Oh,
learning all
you're
kinds
whipping
of
it
stuff.
too. Whipping it, you're driving it.
Unbelievable. This is a nice car.
I love it. This is so nice.
This screen is huge. This car has navigation too, I think.
You know, honestly, I think I might have to upgrade my Forte to one of these. My Forte right now has a lot of mileage on it, and I'm so glad we're in this one today because I'm like, wow, it's got look, you got a whole box back here.
Yeah, I think that's the cargo cover that gets installed after they purchase the car.
I'm like, wow, this would have been perfect for when I got my TV. You just lay the seats down, put some boxes back there.
You're a little more
you're good.
adventurous than me. Deliver it, set it up, and then call a 9-year-old to come over and program it.
Let's see. There's 5 trims to choose from for the Seltos. So you have the LX, the S, the EX, the X-Line S, and then the X-Line SX. So for the base model, which is the LX, you're starting at $24,990.
Oh, nice.
And for the top trim line, it starts at $32,790.
That's not
And
bad.
that's for the top trim line. Like, you're getting everything in that one. Smart power liftgate, heated steering wheel, panoramic sunroof, 19-inch wheels. Yeah, that's awesome.
Now, what do most teenagers care about? Let's hear it.
She's got me saying sugar pie, honey, darling, and beer. I ain't seen the Braves play a game all year. Gonna get fired if I don't get some sleep.
A little country.
You can actually feel the bass
You can.
pumping. You can hear the mids and the tweets. What a great car for, I mean, the roof. Unbelievable.
Yeah. I think this is my favorite part, is the panoramic sunroof.
I would definitely.
I know you're probably getting toasty, so I'll close it for you.
Thank you. Sunscreen.
But I mean, come on, this AC works like crazy. I love it. It feels good.
Yeah, the AC is really nice.
You got AC in the back
It's got
too.
your standard, 100,000 mile warranty.
Yep.
I mean, how can
10
you
year,
go wrong?
100,000.
I would think this would be a great purchase.
Should
Even like
Absolutely.
someone like my mom, that's in her late 70s, this would be way easy to drive.
I agree. It still gives you that SUV feel without it being too big, you know?
Let's see how easy it is to. Wow, look at that camera. Everything's clear. I can actually see
Oh
the
yeah,
guy I'm
that's
running
super
over.
clear. Watch out, Grandpa Eddie's driving.
What I tell you about giving bad customer service? I'm gonna catch you in the parking lot. I really like this car.
This is super nice. I'm telling you, I'm probably gonna have to upgrade my Forte to one of these. Cause I was like, you know what? I feel like if I go to the Sportage, it's probably gonna be a little bit too big for just me. I want that SUV feel without it being too large. I think this is great.
I think it is great. I had to do it I like watching all those lines move around. I want to know what I'm gonna hit before I hit it.
I like, it tells you too before you're about to hit it.
So,
It's
so what
like,
do you
well,
get?
I know you're trying to hit that back there, but you better settle down.
Backup camera, Bluetooth, wireless charging, panoramic roof, leather power seat. You get all the safety, all the technology. I mean,
Yeah.
what more could you ask for?
Exactly.
Oh, I'd like it for free, please.
I know. Me too. Me too.
Don't ask Brian for it for free. Hey, this is Eddie. This is my good friend Jem.
Yeah.
We were very happy to drive the all-new redesigned 27 Kia Seltos today.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to follow us on social media.
Yeah.
Eddie and Gemini, Mark Kia.
Thank you so much.